Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. You know I'm all about that full-on glam, but trust me, even I've fallen victim to some major makeup mishaps in my day. We've all been there, right? That moment you catch your reflection and think, what in the world is happening on my face? Well, fear not, my loves, because today we're diving deep into the biggest makeup mistakes you need to avoid to keep your look flawless. Let's get started. Alright, my loves, let's talk about the foundation of any good makeup look: prepping your skin. This step is often overlooked, but it's absolutely crucial for achieving that flawless, long-lasting finish we all crave. Think of your skin as the canvas for your makeup masterpiece. If the canvas isn't prepped properly, the final artwork won't look its best. And no, I don't just mean a quick splash of water. Proper skin prep involves a few essential steps that will make a world of difference. We're talking about treating your skin like the queen it is. Start with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a perfect cleanser out there for you. First things first, cleanse that gorgeous face. This step removes any impurities, excess oil, and makeup residue that could clog your pores and cause breakouts. Get rid of any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from the day before. Next, we hydrate. Hydration is key to plump, youthful-looking skin. Choose a moisturizer that provides the right amount of hydration for your skin type. A good moisturizer will plump up your skin and create a smooth canvas for your makeup. Don't forget to apply it evenly and give it a few minutes to absorb fully. Don't forget to show some love to your lips with a hydrating lip balm. Dry, chapped lips can ruin the look of your lipstick, so make sure they're soft and smooth. Trust me, a little prep work goes a long way in achieving that flawless finish. By taking the time to properly prep your skin, you'll not only enhance the look of your makeup, but also improve the health and texture of your skin over time. So invest in good skincare products and make skin prep an essential part of your beauty routine. Your skin will thank you, and your makeup will look better than ever. Now, let's talk foundation, the base of our makeup masterpiece. One of the biggest mistakes I see is choosing the wrong shade. Remember, beauties, we want to look seamless, not like we're wearing a mask. The key is to match your foundation to your neck and chest, not your hand or wrist. Don't be afraid to try a few different shades to find your perfect match. And remember, lighting is everything. Test your foundation in natural light to ensure it truly blends seamlessly. Let's be real. Brows can make or break a look, but sometimes we get a little carried away with the brow gel and end up with those dreaded Sharpie brows. Remember, beauties, less is more. We want our brows to look naturally defined, not drawn on. Start by brushing your brow hairs upwards to see their natural shape. Then use a light hand to fill in any sparse areas with a brow pencil or powder. Focus on creating soft, hair-like strokes for the most natural look. Setting your makeup with powder is essential for long-lasting wear, but too much powder can leave you looking cakey and dry. Remember, we want our skin to look luminous and healthy, not flat and dull. Instead of dusting powder all over your face, focus on the T-zone, where we tend to get oily throughout the day. Use a light hand and a fluffy brush to apply powder only where needed. And don't forget to tap off any excess powder from your brush before applying. One of the biggest makeup faux pas is forgetting to blend your foundation down your neck. This creates a harsh line that screams makeup mishap. Remember, beauties, our neck and décolletage are an extension of our face, so we need to treat them with the same love and care. When applying foundation, blend it down past your jawline and onto your neck for a seamless, natural look. And don't forget to bring some color down to your chest as well, especially if you're wearing a lower neckline. Listen up, my loves, because I'm about to share one of my biggest makeup secrets: primer. Think of primer as the ultimate foundation for your foundation. It creates a smooth, even canvas for your makeup to cling to, preventing it from sliding around or fading throughout the day. Whether you prefer a mattifying primer for oily skin or a hydrating primer for dry skin, there's a primer out there for everyone. Trust me, beauties, once you start using primer, you'll never go back. Alright, beauties, let's talk blending. Blending is the key to achieving a flawless, airbrushed finish. Harsh lines are a dead giveaway that you've gone a little heavy-handed with your makeup. When applying eyeshadow, use a fluffy blending brush to diffuse the colors seamlessly. For foundation and contour, use a damp beauty sponge or a stippling brush to blend everything out for a natural airbrushed effect. Remember, beauties, we're going for a soft, diffused look, not a painted-on mask. Chapter 8. Let's be real, beauties. We've all been guilty of holding on to our favorite makeup products for a little too long. But using expired makeup is a big no-no. Expired makeup can harbor bacteria, which can lead to breakouts, infections, and other skin irritations. Make it a habit to check the expiration dates on your makeup regularly and toss anything that's past its prime. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 9. Welcome to the art of perfecting your mascara application. Mascara is the finishing touch to any eye look, but applying it incorrectly can lead to clumpy, spidery lashes. These unsightly clumps can ruin an otherwise flawless makeup look, making your lashes appear heavy and unkempt. To achieve those long, luscious lashes of your dreams, start by wiggling the mascara wand at the base of your lashes. This technique ensures that the maximum amount of product is deposited at the roots, giving your lashes a solid foundation. This will deposit the most product at the root, creating volume and lift. By focusing on the roots, you can create a fuller, more dramatic look that enhances the natural beauty of your eyes. Then, sweep the wand upwards towards the tips of your lashes, using a zigzag motion to separate and define. This motion helps to coat each lash evenly, preventing clumps and ensuring that your lashes look long and separated. And remember, beauties, less is more. Applying too much mascara can weigh down your lashes and make them look unnatural. A light hand is key to achieving a soft, fluttery effect. Avoid pumping the mascara wand, as this will only push air into the tube, causing it to dry out faster. Instead, gently twist the wand inside the tube to pick up the product. This will help maintain the mascara's consistency and extend its lifespan. Another tip is to wipe off excess mascara from the wand with a tissue before application. This prevents too much product from being applied at once, which can lead to clumping. When applying mascara to your lower lashes, use the tip of the wand for precision. This helps to avoid smudging and ensures that even the tiniest lashes are coated. For added volume, you can apply multiple layers of mascara. Just make sure to let each layer dry slightly before applying the next to avoid clumping. With these tips, you'll be able to master the art of mascara application, achieving a flawless, eye-catching look every time. Happy applying! Chapter 10. Lip liner is often overlooked, but trust me, it's a game changer. Many people skip this step, thinking it's unnecessary, but it can truly transform your lip look. Lip liner helps to define your lips, prevent lipstick from bleeding, and it can even out the shape of your lips if they are asymmetrical. Additionally, it can create the illusion of fuller lips, which is something many of us desire. Start by outlining your lips with a lip liner that matches your natural lip color or the color of your lipstick. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the rest of your lip makeup. Then, fill in your lips completely with the lip liner. This not only provides a base for your lipstick, but also ensures that even if your lipstick wears off, your lips will still have color. This will create a base for your lipstick to adhere to and make it last longer. A good lip liner can make your lipstick stay put for hours without needing touch-ups. Finally, apply your lipstick, either directly from the bullet or with a lip brush for more precision. Using a lip brush can help you get into the corners of your lips and achieve a more defined look. And there you have it. Perfectly defined lips that will last all day. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and products to find what works best for you. And there you have it, beauties. Avoid these common makeup mistakes to keep your look on point. Remember, makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.